In this video we are going to cover how to download and install VMware Workstation Player. Start with opening a web browser. Any browser will do. Search for VMware Workstation Player download. Click on the Download VMware Workstation Player link. Make sure it's to the vmware.com site. Scroll down the page and click Try Workstation 15.5 Player for Windows. The application will download to your default download folder or request you save it to a location you specify. Once the download has completed, click the Run button next to the download. You may need to open the folder you downloaded the file to. Then double-click it to run. Accept the change by clicking the Yes button. On the welcome screen, click on Next to begin the install. Carefully read the terms and conditions. Click the checkbox I accept the terms in the license agreement. Then click Next. Do not enable the enhanced keyboard driver unless you have an extended keyboard. 99% of users do not need this. Simply click Next to continue. Leave check for product updates on startup selected. You can uncheck Join the VMware Customer Experience Improvement Program. Click Next to continue. Leave the desktop and Start Menu Program folder checked. This will create the icons to run the application. Click Next to continue. Click Install to begin the installation. Now sit back and wait for VMware Workstation Player to install. It will take a few minutes to complete. Congratulations, you have installed VM Workstation Player. Click Finish to close the installer. You can now run the application by double-clicking the icon on the desktop. Please view the next video to show you how to download a copy of Microsoft Windows 10. You will need this to build your first virtual machine. Also like, comment and subscribe for other videos.